shivering! Hurry up! Oh!
It was him. It was him. It was Hugo.
I told you to put your head down. Mate, it's fucking tall, man.
I said, just bend over properly.
Oh! Oh! My God! My God! Oh!
Alright you lot, how are you doing today? I'm in goal with these lot and we are going to be doing a little football penalty challenge. We're all going to take a penalty each and the loser at the end of the round gets red arse. But the penalties are one step to make it a little bit more competitive. I knew you were doing something behind it. Now obviously we have to decide who is going to be the one to be in goal because nobody wants to be in goal for this challenge and we're going to be deciding that by a crossbar challenge. Whoever takes a shot and it gets furthest away from the crossbar is the one that's going to be in goal. Let's get into it. I'm going to kill him. First one.
He's going to miss.
It is that Ronaldo. Too easy! You were just above it. Give me the count. Oh my God! There, you're straight in goal.
Collar, I'm right. Collar, move, man. Go back. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
It's on target. It's on target.
Shut the fuck up.
No, you missed. You missed the whole goal.
Right, okay, everybody, who did worse? Who did worse? Let's be real. Everyone, who did worse?
You missed the whole goal.
Yeah, but it was just above the goal.
You missed.
No, okay, listen.
But you missed.
There's missing, yeah? Then obviously, there's like, up here, I hit here, and you hit fucking here, mate. That's what... Can we take a vote, please? Really, I feel like I'm going crazy. Can we take a vote? Oh, you fucked up. You hear me? Nah. We're switching, innit?
I'll go in maybe next time.
Do it again, though.
Do you want to do it again?
You haven't been to go once
Do you want to do it again?
You haven't been to go
Let's do it again.
Oh, really?
I'm going to be honest, I'm just happy that I'm not the one that's in goal.
He fucks up now, he's in.
What do you reckon your chances are of making
89% million. You have to hit it to beat me. You have to hit it to beat me. You have to hit it to beat me. He's hitting it though. You have to hit it.
Oh shit! What in?
Now I'll be bummed. Oh, it's an equaliser.
Give me a fucking goal. I respect it. I mean, I think it's a bit rigged, to be fair. But whatever, I ain't gonna cry about it. Time to go!
I'm taking the first penalty. One step. What? Carlo.
Where are you putting it? Alright, calm.
I'm very good at goals.
That was good.
Emilio was out, as you can see, last round. Oh no, wait, it's not the semi-finals, let's call it. Me, got myself, Kevin, and Hugo. I'm gonna green screen here now. We don't know either. Alright, here we go.
I threw himself on the floor.
Stay there, keep on moving.
Alright.
Whoa! No! Oh! I was so confident.
What is the goalkeeper doing? Why are you there?
Last round, me versus Hugo. Here we go. You ready, Hugo? Hey, listen, the best man wins. Boom!
Jesus Christ. Far and wide.
I want to kill myself. If this guy beats me, I swear to God. He's the one that's going to be putting up red arse in all of us. Like, really?
Fuck!
No! No way!
How does it feel to win?
Simple. I can do this in my sleep, bro.
Best penalty taker here.
Huh?
Best penalty taker here.
Oh, of course, man. Man's ready. Man's ready. I get to shoot all of them in the arse.
He did, he just... You did you not?
Everyone cooped up like someone's gonna die. Shivering! Hurry up!
It's him. It was him.
also was like down.
It was Hugo.
I told you to put your head down.
Mate, it's fuck. I'm tall, man.
I said, just.
Fuck me. Oh. 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 Oh God! My God! Oh.